टुडे ऑल बिजनेस नीड टेक्नोलॉजी। हर किसी को मालूम है कि टेक्नोलॉजी से अपना बिजनेस स्केल कर सकते हैं, कस्टमर को अच्छा प्रोडक्ट दे सकते हैं। बट देर आर सो मेनी टेक्नोलॉजीज, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, चैट जीपीटी, मेटावर्स, ब्लॉकचेन. Is there a place where somebody can simplify this technology and explain? Yeah. RAKTIM Singh is coming with a series where technologies will be explained in a very simple way. That is what my promise is. ये टेक्नोलॉजीज बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में, लेमैन टर्म में समझना है, और ये समझना है कि क्या वो टेक्नोलॉजी आपके बिजनेस में अप्लाई हो सकती है और उससे आप क्या क्या फ़ायदे ले सकते हैं. वॉच दिस सीरीज टेक्नोलॉजी सिंप्लीफाइड बाय रक्तिम सिंह.
But AI is different. AI helps you in making the meaning of the data. So as I said, all others were sort of management of the data, capturing the data, storing the data, but AI helps you make a meaning of the data. And when I say make a meaning, it helps you finding patterns into the data. So just for everybody's information, AI is there for many years. Work on it started sometime in 1950s, and the whole idea is, can machine do what human can do? And like that, initially lot of excitement was there, but then everybody realized making the algorithm for the AI was becoming complicated, and we have seen 2 AI winters. It means not much work has happened. Because just think of it, if I take example of, if you see elephant, there are 2 type of elephant. And if somebody has to code based on that elephant has like this eyes, this tusk, feet, now coding all those things become very difficult. And if you notice the other elephant, you cannot see a visible tusk here. So all those become very difficult if somebody has to really code and identify. Now later, some more development in AI has happened. So AI, we can say, contain machine learning, which in turn contain supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is the most powerful of this machine learning. So instead of writing a code like how elephant looks, what has happened in recent year, because now we have cost efficient data storage system, lot of digital data is there. So what it means, lot of photos of different type of elephants are available on internet, and this data can be fed to a machine, and machine can that way can read, can capture the images, can divide into the pixels. So what it means, if I take elephant, it will divide this part, break into pixels. Like here it's tusk also, it will divide into various pixels and learn. And because lot of data now is available on net, so all that data can be fed to machine, and cloud computing power is there. So by that, machine learns on its own, and in the reinforcement learning, one set of data is given and it get tested, algorithm get formed, and then it get tested against the different set of data. But suffice to say that again there is various mechanism by which machine or the computer is trying to find the pattern into the data. So how an elephant looks like, again according to me, that is a pattern. So it has learned, and now whenever it sees another picture, is able to identify like that the pattern. Now this pattern can be in anything, either in the picture or in our languages. There are patterns how we talk, be it in English language, Hindi language, or anything else. So this is where it learns. It learns by identifying the patterns and keep on learning. And remember, anything, be it a human being or for that matter machine, if it learns how to learn, it becomes very powerful. And that's what is happening. That is what is happening now with AI, because now machine is learning how to learn. So that is where AI is becoming more powerful. Now let me quickly come to the hot topic of the year, which is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is again a generative AI, and it is based on language model. So the way we have learned the language, like that, here this model also has learned the language. So suppose, and of course, it has been fed with various data, billions or jillions of the data. It has been fed, and it's taken a lot of computing power and smarter chips so that it can process the data and understand the data. But to start with, ChatGPT is only a program. It does not have a database, or it does not have any Maha searcher which search over the internet and provide you the answer. So it has learned, it's just a program which create the sentences. So suppose earlier there were sentences on the internet, that 100 sentences were there. 75 sentences said the sky is blue, and let's say that 20 sentences said that sky is pink, and maybe 5 sentences said sky is green. So when you put to ChatGPT the sky is, so in a deterministic model, it will say the sky is blue. Then there are some other parameters in ChatGPT, which is top P and temperature. If you change that, it may say that sky is green, because that also it has found it out. So mainly it is putting down or completing the sentence, the sky is, and then filling the blank blue. And like that, it is learning and creating more sentences. And same thing is then applied for image creation, which is DALL-E 2, which again create the images based on what it has learned. Now, of course, though I have said that ChatGPT is only a application, a program, but latest in advancement, it along with the Bing, it has now getting integrated with the internet also, so it can search from there also. First, it will try to give based on its learning or trained data, and later it will try to search and give the data. But remember, this is what it is. It is a program which has learned with billions of data by identifying the patterns into that data and learn those patterns.